calls don't stop coming. Every day for over 20 years, Farooq Baloch has been rushing to the scene. Hoping he'll get there in time to save lives. But rarely are the calls for heart attack or accident victims. The people he helps have been deliberately targeted by those who want them dead. Baloch works in the most dangerous areas. In Pakistan's biggest and deadliest city, this is Karachi, home to over 20 million people, culturally and ethnically diverse. But many of the differences that are celebrated in making Karachi so multicultural are the same ones that are tearing it apart. Crime is rampant in large swaths of the city, from petty theft to armed robberies and even political assassinations. The government says more than 2,000 people fall victim to targeted killings every year. And figure would be higher if it wasn't for people like Baloch. This is a mission, he says, that never ends. The deadly violence is a result of a city unable to keep up with its rising population. The number of people in Karachi is now 67 times more than it was 6 decades ago, growing from 300,000 to over 20 million. Overpopulated and severely under-resourced ethnic groups have become rivals, fighting for food, water and shelter in a vicious territorial war. Tensions between some of Pakistan's political parties have also spilled onto the streets. Politicians hire gangs to take out their opponents. Over the years, the problems have only grown worse.
ये सब गुर्बत का रिजल्ट है। गुर्बत खत्म हो जाए तो सारी चीजें खत्म।
But through it all, one man and his foundation have been trying to make it better. This is Abdul Sattar Eidi, the founder of the Eidi Foundation.
ऐसा मैं पाकिस्तान में आकर जो गुर्बत देखता था, एक तो मेरी पॉलिसी थी कि मुझे किसी से चंदा मांगने नहीं जाना, देने वाली कौम बनाना है।
Working for change since 1951, his foundation today offers shelter for the homeless, care for the elderly, and funeral services for those who cannot afford it. And it operates the free ambulance service for which Baloch works.
I'm at the head office of the Eidi Center that dispatches ambulances all over the city of Karachi, especially the poorest of areas that are bearing the brunt of crime and violence.
Eidi established his first free clinic in 1951. Because of his more than 60 years of service, many across Pakistan have come to know him as the world's greatest living humanitarian. That's why Eidi says even the most violent of criminals will leave his staff alone.
मेरा काम इंसानियत है। मेरे साथ जो भी काम करने वाला है, उनको कोई नहीं छेड़ता। डेंजर से डेंजर इलाकों में भी चले जाएं, यदि का नाम आता है, तो डाकू भी 100 रुपये के नोट निकाल के देता है।
When someone is in need of help, this is the first point of contact. Baloch is the Eidi Foundation's most senior paramedic.
कहाँ पे जो है ना इमरजेंसी हुई है या जहाँ पे कोई भी हादसा हुआ है या कहीं पे भी इमरजेंसी का कोई हादसा होता है तो हम फिर वहाँ से इसके थ्रू हम पहले तो गाड़ी को देखते हैं कि उसके करीब कौन सी गाड़ी है.
There are 800 Eidi ambulances strategically placed in stations across Karachi and 200 more patrolling the streets ready to respond to emergencies. Farooq has dealt with situations ranging from earthquakes to bomb blasts. But he says by far the majority of the calls Eidi Center receives result from gun violence. In Karachi, most of Pakistan's ethnic groups, the Pashtuns, Muhajirs, Sindhis and Balochis, live in segregated neighborhoods, all run by their own criminal gangs. Warlords on a local level who rule through fear and fight for turf. Baloch took us out on a patrol.
ये सब खासकर इसके बैक साइड जो है ना ये भी बहुत डेंजर है कच्चियों के हवाले से और खासकर ये गली जो जा रही है.
And this is Liari, the forefront of the latest gang war.
Liari has been declared by the law enforcement agencies as a no-go area, and Baloch says it is very dangerous here. Gang fights are taking place here almost every single day.
But that doesn't stop the Eidi ambulances. For Baloch, these streets are all too familiar. In an area where poverty is high, the armed men who guard the streets are employed by the gang leaders. How old are the boys in gangs?
इसको हैंडल करने के लिए इस ऑपरेशन को तो किसी की भी उम्र 25 साल से ज्यादा नहीं है. 25 साल से नीचे 18 से लेकर 25 के दरमियान.
Even for Baloch, getting into Liari requires permission from the gang in control of each pocket.
Baloch. मां अबरिया का मैं कह रहा मेहमान है ना साहब है ईदी साहब है मेहमान है हम लियारी एंट्री है जनगा.
As we enter, Baloch asks us to lower the camera so that our presence inside Liari doesn't raise suspicions. Liari is Karachi's most smallest township by area. Baloch says money is at the heart of the gang war that engulfs this poor area. The gangs extort it from the owners of shops, factories and offices in exchange for protection. They are also fighting over a drug trade that is worth millions of dollars. At a local hospital, we see several injured men as soon as we walk in. All have gunshot wounds. What happened to him? Does this happen a lot? Those injured are considered lucky because despite their best efforts, Baloch and his colleagues at the Eidi Foundation can't save all lives. At another hospital, 28-year-old Raza's family cannot contain their grief. He was caught in the crossfire of a shootout in an area called Sohrab Goat. Rescue is only part of Baloch's job. All too often, his mission becomes one of recovery.
जैसे कि कोई हादसा होता है तो वो उसको गाड़ी में डालकर यहाँ पे लाते हैं और इस तरह नीचे फेंक देते हैं. यहाँ पे पानी में. यहाँ पे पानी के अंदर लाके वो बोरी को फेंक देते हैं और फिर उसको जो है ना.
Gang members bring the remains of those they've killed to this bridge and throw them into Karachi's main sewerage system. The Eidi Foundation retrieves bodies from the gutter and bring them here to the morgue. Baloch, what do you feel when you see so many bodies come and go?
Actually, मसला ये है कि एक इंसान जिस फील्ड में होता है तो सुबह शाम उसका इस चीज़ों से वास्ता पड़ रहा है तो एक दिल जो है ना एक हौसला दिल मजबूत सा हो जाता है क्योंकि हर 10 मिनट 15 मिनट के बाद उसको एक बॉडी से वास्ता पड़ रहा है और उसको वो संभाल रहा है.
And even more than the personal danger he faces by working in Karachi's most dangerous neighborhoods, Baloch says the most difficult part of the job is seeing tragedy every day.
जब हम उसको हॉस्पिटल पहुंचा रहे होते हैं, जब उसके आखिरी लम्हात होते हैं या अल्फाजात होते हैं, वो एक किस्म के मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि वो जो बोल रहा होता है और उसको हम अपने ऊपर वो कर रहे होते हैं तो मैं उनको ऐसी एक किस्म की जुड़ी तसल्ली दे रहा होता हूँ कि आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, आप पहुँच गए अस्पताल. जब वो अस्पताल में हम उसको पहुँचाते हैं या वो दम तोड़ चुका होता है या वो ऐसा वाक़ा तो उनकी फैमिली को हैंडल करना हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा मसला बन जाता है.
But knowing it's up to him and his colleagues to give these people what could be their last glimmer of hope, Baloch soldiers on. It's another call, another emergency. And as a defender of Karachi, Baloch says it's his duty to protect.